From Mentor English, myself, Professor MA Raza. Today we're gonna discuss the topic morphology. What is morphology? Morphology describes the patterns of formation of words by the combination of sounds into minimal distinctive unit of meaning called morphemes. It deals with the rules of a combination of morphemes such as how prefixes and suffixes are attached to them to form words. It also studies it's also studies the changes that take place in the structure of words. For example, the morphemes do changes to does, did, and done. These may signify either a change in tense, did and done, or in numbers, do or does. So let me repeat the definition of morphology again, and that is, morphology describes the pattern of formation of words by the combination of sounds into minimal distinctive units of meaning called morphemes. It deals with the rules of combination of morphemes such as how prefixes and suffixes are attached to them to form words. It also studies the changes that take place in the structure of words. For example, the morpheme do changes to does, did, and done. These may signify either a change in tense, did, done, or in numbers, do or does. So it is the brief definition of morphology. And my dear students, my dear watchers, my dear subscribers, my dear students and their parents, I hope so that you will you will fetch the main idea of morphology, and we will discuss it later according to Virtual University, according to Allama Iqbal Open University, according to the Minhaj University, and according to Qaid-e-Azam University, and according to UMT, University of Management and Sciences, and also according to LUMS University and Sargodha and Gujarat University, and also the other universities of the country. And if didn't subscribe, must subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you and one of your family or your fellows are searching for Urdu literature or Hindi literature, must search Murshid Urdu Professor MA Raza in Urdu, or Mentor Urdu in English, and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.